Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kalumpung Yakura bala penlong da Meghalaya Association Kickboxing Organisation. Ya ka bala tip kum ka 22nd Meghalaya State Level Kickboxing Championship arjar khat kendai ka ba arsngi kala sedang naruk ka khat kendai terik unaitung arjar khat kendai. Ya kani kerensan yelek kai bala penkut ha ka arpu terik unaitung arjar khat kendai la penlong ha mini indoor stadium hall Lumparing Shillong. Hagani kalumpung yelek kai kirang mat githai Yakura kila wani shimenta na Southerly ki district jong jala ki bakentup na West Jaintia Hills ka Ribhoi district ka West Khas Hills pat East Khas Hills district. La play perdaya kani kalumpung yelek kai da uba sambor mileng do ubala job teng ya ka khusnam karate national gold medalist ubala longkum kongsan ha ka jingedon rengkat lang u president ka Meghalaya Association Kickboxing Organisation uba Dirani. Range Officer jong Soil and Water Conservation uba AS Kharbuli kikme kikpa kikhenna bat kiwe hagani kesngi uba AS Kharbuli bat uba sambor mileng do kila no sinyang jingerap syagani ka kunhun.
So my only say for today is if you participate here with your heart and your soul, you will come out victorious, right? When you lose, you should not give excuses but train hard. Go back to your dojo, train hard and work sincerely to achieve your goals. And for those who win, do not boast, do not show off because that is not the end. Okay? You have years and years and years of careers ahead of you. So this is not the end. You have to participate from the state level to the national level, then you go on so on and so forth, till you become a world champion like many of the members here do. So not much to say. Do not indulge yourself in bad substances, as Sir said, as drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, tobacco and other forms of unwanted hazards that can cause harm to your body. I just want to thank especially these young kids and the parents who have been so supporting to send them here and be part and to take part in this tournament. Thank you so much. Declare the 22nd State Championship Kickboxing Open. I have a small contribution from my end, though it's small, but I believe it will take you further. Thank you. And I would like to hand over my small contribution to Bapan Shah and to the team of Sir Donny. Please accept my small offer.
Kick hijrah, kick hijrah, kick spot, kick hijrah.
Red is the winner.
Minus 56 kg. Islam Light Recorded Straight. Be ready. Bansha, Wala, Was, Daniel, Straight. Be ready. Islam Light Recorded Straight. Red corner versus Bansha, Wala, Was, Daniel, Blue corner.
hakani gaji le ka minta idan ki junior ki cadets minta ki junior but ki senior kita ki different but ki cadet ini sedang nadu ki kita ki bidang amrek kata kamu tiba new snam sejrong ki ladon ni to bali bayar gut misra but sipo ki ladon itu but ki adu ki junior ni dan adu ki kerta ke ba kapok ka katra junior bagi senior yang katra sana haman ki district ni dan lagi jong ki district association juga run lagi di district panang ba kita ki district ni ora IT players lamba kita ki district bagi dan ki nang yalam sini haki ki district ba terpe ni ke kickboxing ke de way ni ki sports ke ba baru kau ini kibale martial arts ki bat ngalai kata lamba ki senam ki bangladon ada ni ke kickboxing baru kau ki kuah hi banile ke kickboxing nomor kembang ki traditional martial arts kum karate taekwondo bat muay thai ki itu kidon ki certain rule fi wakimla ban ya pala hendre ya ke kickboxing ketika martial arts kabala wara hak takar komba kadon 100% ke kecil bat 100% ke kejap bat kebun kata gini kata kabumut ngidon nadu ka point fighting ngidon nadu kick light ngidon ka light contact ngidon sa ring sport kum ka full contact ngata ka K1 bat ngidon du ketika low kick ngiyong nalor kata ngidon sa ka pro fight ketika wangile kabayo ki belt itu ngimpala ben introduce ni nomor hadu mentahi dan persang ban yo ka ring di sisi mengilau kering kemudian bisa kondok directly kita ki program kita kam internet bang buat juara action negara state dengan selek kita ki K1 lebih kilo ki program kum ke full contact kebolong very interesting kebahas akaleng perti juga di noyalam jungi iba hadu kata senam ngala don hakadega jila ka le post nem ndre hadu mata ngasusi ban tempau hande ba 4 juyo kita ki infrastructure kebagian kamdon hi kata ka training hall lani kanu ka kenjas stadium ka babiang bangila ban pelong kita ki camp bangila ban kondok dia ki national berki international ide beton kata ki hakani ka state haka bangila ban promote ki kena nabar ngai iba ki kena hakini ki jalla jumi bat haka not easy bro ko ki it hai kani ka sport ki it hai kani ka game kita ngi don kum kita ki ila stain ban penmi sigun di floor mo kita sa posisi level kita kan sejauh